Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that Spark token. Now before we start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, Spark SPK is the native governance and staking token for the Spark protocol, a decentralized finance DeFi platform designed as an on-chain capital allocator that optimizes yield across stablecoins, DeFi protocols, and real-world assets (RWAs). On-chain capital allocator. The protocol's core function is to intelligently manage and deploy stablecoin capital across DeFi, CeFi, and RWA communities to maximize efficiency and yield. Governance and staking token. SPK holders govern the protocol's direction and can stake their tokens to help secure the network while earning rewards. Integrated with Sky ecosystem. Spark is closely linked to the Sky ecosystem, formerly part of MakerDAO, leveraging its substantial stablecoin reserve for deep liquidity and stability. Spark token total supplies 10 billion and circulating supplies around 2.259 million SPK token. SPK token is listed on popular centralized exchanges like Binance, Coinbase, OKX, and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 95% chances is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.